Hi, my name is Scot Stodart. I'm an applications engineer here at Promess. And today we're in our final assembly department to show you one of Promess's newly engineered solutions for straightening parts. A customer came to us and asked us if we would be able to straighten their steel parts. After an in-depth feasibility study, Promess was able to provide a 3-axis straightening solution. Axis 1 is a linear slide that moves the part back and forth to be measured. Axis 2 is our 120 kilonewton press that is used to press the tall side of the part and the flat side of the part. Axis 3 is our 500 newton meter UltraPRO that is used to take any twist out of the part. All three of these axes send feedback back to our UltraPRO software, which in turn calculates the next step in the process to create a perfectly straightened part. So next I'll take you over to our Promess HMI and we can go over what a perfectly straight part looks like versus a not straightened part. Okay, so now we are looking at the HMI of the UltraPRO software, and we are looking at a part that needs to be straightened. So the part has a bow in it of roughly 14 thousandths. The spec for a good part is plus or minus 10 thousandths. If we switch over to a good part that's already been straightened, you can see here that we are within spec. We're within plus or minus 10 thousandths. So that is the difference between a part that's not straight and a part that has been straightened. So let's go over to our machine and straighten a part. As you can see here, the indicator light for the measure station has been illuminated. We can now pick up the part and place it into the measure station. You can now select cycle start, and the part is measured. The system now indicates to the user that the tall side of the part needs to be straightened. So the operator can place the part into the bend tall station and press cycle start. Once the bend tall station is complete, the user will put the part back into the measure station. The system now indicates that the part has twist that needs to be removed from the part. Select cycle start, the 500 newton meter UltraPRO, twist the part. Now we put the part back into the measure station, select cycle start again. Now the system is indicating that the flat side of the part needs to be straightened. Select cycle start. Place the part back into the measure station. The system is indicating that the part needs to be twisted an additional time. We now place the part back into the measuring station. And all indicator lights have turned off, which tells the user that the part has been properly straightened. Okay, let's go back over to the Promess HMI and the UltraPRO software, and let's look at our graph of the part that we just straightened. As you can see by the graph, we are well within our plus or minus 10,000 spec, and we have a properly straightened part. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation on Promess's newly engineered solution for straightening parts. If you have any questions, you can contact us at 810-229-9334 or you can visit our website at promessinc.com. Thank you again for joining us for today's presentation.